In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram username in 2021 on your Android or iPhone device. Let's get started. Alright, so you want to open the app, and then all you need to do is go to your own profile. Then right there you'll see edit profile. You want to click on that first, and then you should be able to see your username. So right there you'll see username. It's this one right there. What you can then do is simply click on that, and then this is where you can change it. So all you need to do is get rid of the current username and then type in the new one, new username 9821. Whatever that may be, you simply want to type it in there, click on the check mark in the top right corner, do that once again, and then you'll see that my username has now changed. And that's pretty much how you can do this. You can also change this name right there, but that's not your username, by simply clicking right here. Alright, so if this simple and short tutorial helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Let me know if it works or if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.